Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So this is a new video series which we are launching, that is a podcast series with my clients. So this episode is with Sanjana Sharma, who lives in Seattle. Now she has shifted to Boston. Earlier, when she came to me, she was living in Seattle. She was a student then, looking for jobs. When she got her job, she shifted to Boston. But before that, she was frequently gaining weight. Her eating habits were messed up. Her sleep routine was not in control. Also, she was, I would say, dealing with a lot of stress because, if you're living abroad, you're living away from home, and then you're looking for jobs, it is a very stressful situation. And in that whole scenario, it is very easy for you to mess up your health. So this one is going to be a very special episode, so make sure just get your headphones in, just have your pen and paper, because if you watch this entire video, trust me, you are also going to lose 10 kgs after applying the concepts which Sanjana will share with you.
I don't eat in meetings, for example. So initially I used to take my lunch during meetings, and then I'm like, no, I need to have my own time for my own food. I'm gonna relish the food. And that actually stopped my overeating. I didn't even have to put my mind into it. And yesterday I was just noticing is I'm like, okay, I didn't overeat today. Or I didn't फालतू का ज़्यादा ऐसा randomly नहीं खाया.
Right.
So I those small things जो जैसे कोई बताता नहीं, but just the culmination of it has changed my outlook towards food. If I look at some dessert also, I told you about this while we were training that
That's my favorite point. Please,
Yeah.
please tell me that how you were able to control your cravings for sugar. Earlier, I know that before the plan, you were like that. I am controlled by sugar. Abhinav, I cannot. The first time we were talking, you were like, Abhinav, I cannot leave meetha. Like, I just need sweet. I was like, let's just get started. Let's see how things happen. So tell me, how were you able to win over your sweet craving?
Oh, sure. So I'm a extremely लोग बोलते हैं foodie. I'm a sweet foodie. मुझे sweets बहुत पसंद है. From chocolates to ice creams to everything. So, what changed for me during training was कि I changed my mindset. Jैसे, for example, we go for luxurious bags and luxurious things. We save up for it and then we buy it.
Right.
And हम normal चीजें नहीं खरीदते. I actually switched that kind of thinking to sweets. Thinking कि अगर मुझे sweets खाने, अगर मुझे desserts खाने, then I'll only eat the best desserts out there. I will not eat something which is easily available in a grocery store, like an ice cream or something. If I want an ice cream, I'll go to the best ice cream place in the town. I'll go there, I'll get my scoop. उसमें जो भी मुझे additions कराने कराऊंगी, but I'll go there. Or if I have to go to like a best, अगर मुझे frozen yogurt खाने का मन कर रहा है, Froyo खाने का मन कर रहा है, I'll go to the best place and get that. So that way, I feel like I'm earning the dessert, and dessert is really good. And I know the difference between cheap, in a sense, chocolates kha lena and acha sa dessert khana, and that actually reduced my dessert ka quota. So this was something I was telling Abhinav ki I spend very judiciously. If you just पे क्या खाना, and I'll only eat the best sweet. I'll not eat any other sweet. So that was a shift in like mindset with respect to that.
I think आपने अपना जो environment था, जो घर पे कह सकते हैं कि सस्ते नशे पड़े हुए थे, पहले चॉकलेट पड़े थे,
Right. I don't want that. I need the best. Yeah. I need the, so उससे काफी चीजें change होगी. Like I don't have random chocolates and stuff at home. Yeah, even office में you get all these refreshments. I'm like, this is not it. I'm not gonna have it. I'm gonna save it up and I'm gonna have something amazing रात को. और या कभी किसी friends के साथ जाऊंगी and then I'll just go to this place, Amarino, like ice cream के लिए or some other.
I've heard about it.
Yeah, so yeah, that's how it changed. And उससे काफी में I actually enjoy desserts more. Right. Because it became like an outing. It became like, oh, we're gonna do a thing. And but I was not eating sugar every day. So it was helpful in all the ways, in a weird mindset shift.
So that's great. So now tell me, Sanjana, that what were your top 3 fitness struggles earlier, and how you were able to, go past them and actually do something which now makes sense to you. So first of all, share top 3 struggles, fitness related struggles you had earlier, and how you were able to win on them.
Sure. I think my first struggle that comes to my mind is कि I never had an exercise routine, or I was always afraid of exercising, like I'm like, I can do yoga because it's just stretching, even not proper yoga, like proper in which things change. Yeah, in which jo bahut zyada extensive yoga, I didn't even used to do that. So the first struggle in my head was ki, will I be able to sustain it? Like, मैं शायद से एक हफ्ता कर लूंगी, उसके बाद I won't be able to do it. Because that is how my previous exercise, whatever I tried to do as exercise were. All those challenges were. So that was first struggle. How will be this exercise routine kaise sustainable okay, and will I enjoy it?
Right.
I still remember you added something like running to my exercise routine, and I've never run in my life. Like, मुझे running से बहुत डर लगता है because I'm like, अरे सांस फूल जाती है. I'm not able to run बहुत distances and everything. So I think there were just struggles to get out of that mindset that मुझसे ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Because आज नहीं हो पाए तो what has changed now कि अब हो पाएगा. So that was one of the biggest struggles. The second struggle was again sweets and changing my food habits.
Right.
I very much adamant in the beginning that I don't want to change. Like, I don't want to go on diets. So my mindset was that the way you lose weight is basically you go on diets where you restrict yourself from doing things or having things. If you're not having things, then you're not even going out and having good time with your friends. Like a lot of people mention this, that when you're on a diet, even when you're going out with friends, that also gets restricted. So I'm like, okay, my life is going to get restricted.
Right.
It's again a mental struggle. Nothing like that happened. And the third one was actually, I won't say it was a fitness struggle, but I also took my own time to even come to you. Like, I had contacted you back in September 2022. And then I was like, I don't know if I need like a fitness trainer. I know the basics because we all know the basics. That's how we have been exposed to so many things from Instagram and from the internet. We know what things we're not doing correctly and what are the things we need to do correctly. So I took my sweet like 3-4 months to properly start with you. So I would count that as a struggle too, as a, should I take a fitness trainer or someone like, you know, who can guide me? Do I actually need that, or do I need to just fix on my habits and then everything will be fine?
Right.
So yeah, those were the 3 biggest struggles that can come into my mind. छोटे-छोटे और struggles थे बीच में. I think sleep was one.
Right. Sleep छोटा
बहुत बड़ा. Even आज भी I try कि sleep आ जाए. Like it's an ongoing struggle I have with sleep for sure. And sleep is stress related. So I know now that that's like a point. पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं था वो area, that this is an area that I need to actually work on. Now at least I know this is an area which requires more training, but I think I would like, this is an area that I need to work on. So yeah.
So now tell me, like you have mentioned like 3 struggles right now. How are you able to overcome it? So first one is working out की running नहीं होगी, मुझसे yoga simple सी होएगी, या I cannot do this, I cannot work out regularly, maybe I can work out for a week, then I will give up on it. So how you able to get past that struggle of not working out?
Basically, I think multiple parts मैं इसका आंसर दूंगी. पहला part was when I was actually afraid of exercising. How will I be able to do this for 6 months? I've gotten like in a program with Abhinav, but मैं 6 महीने क्या मैं 1 हफ्ता नहीं कर सकती. So I was basically talking with myself कि अगर 1 हफ्ता कर सकते हो ना, let's just try for 1 week. 1 हफ्ता भी नहीं हो रहा, let's just try it for tomorrow. And before going for a workout, I was not lost. Like for example, workout से पहले I used to see क्या करना है, what are the set of exercises, designing like पूरा mindset evolve करना कि tomorrow 1 hour I need to spend, like पूरा अपने timetable से, not like I don't want to go into a day and be like, oh आज workout करना था, some 1 hour मैं निकाल दूंगी पूरे दिन से. वो कभी निकलता नहीं. You need to plan it, and you always have to think about it कि आप उस workout में भी क्या करने वाले. You don't even just have to show up. Right. So I used to see your आप पहले से share कर देते थे, these were the exercises. So I used to see those exercises, see the videos. थोड़ा सा fun बनाने के लिए, okay, I need like colorful workout clothes. Like थोड़ा सा planning करोगे, so when you show up tomorrow and you're in double mind set कि करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, already आपने एक planning कर रखी है 1 दिन से पहले, ये आपको करना है. Like everything is there on a platter. Now you can't back out. So उस point पे अपने आपको decision का, like don't give yourself any area to make a decision at the point जब आप exercise करने जा रहे हो. Right. So that helped me. Then remember we used to do EMOMs. Initially I never liked EMOMs. I didn't understand what EMOM was, and same exercise ko bar bar karna. I'm like, "Arey, this is again. It's just mind talking to you. It's always like honing your mindset." So I used to be like, "Arey, same exercise वापस कर रही हूँ. I should get some new exercises, something." So I used to, yeah, मुझे इतने, like for example 6 times if I had to do an exercise, I'm like 6 बार नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं इसको सिर्फ 3 बार करूंगी because I've never said that 3 to 4 times is the best. तो मैं बात नहीं रखते थे, चलो मैं 3 बार करूंगी एंड उसके बाद डिसाइड करूंगी कि डू आई हैव दैट मच ऑफ स्टैमिना इन मी कि मैं और कर सकती हूँ. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स हमेशा ऐसा होता था कि 3-4 बार कर लेते थे एंड देन आई यूज्ड अप एनर्जी एंड आई एम लाइक, ओह आई हैव एक्चुअली डन इट 4 times, आई स्टिल हैव एनर्जी व्हिच इज लाइक अ विन, सो आई कैन डू इट 1 or 2 times. तो 5 times हो जाता था. So I think there's a lot of back talking that I did with myself, reasoning. I never gave myself time to decide at the point of workout. मेरे टाइम टेबल पे इट वाज देयर कि ओके या तो सुबह वर्कआउट हो रहा है फ्रॉम 6 to 7, अगर सुबह नहीं हो पाता है देन शाम को हो रहा है. So I used to always decide कि ये टाइम है मेरा, and other people also, like my friends and everyone, used to respect that time. तो when I used to, जब 6 बज जाते थे या शाम के 5 बज जाते थे, I'm like, okay, now I have to do this. मैंने अपना पूरा प्लान कर रखा है, my work is साइड में या whatever my job prep is, उसके लिए भी मैंने टाइम साइड पे रखा हुआ है. So this is the time I have to myself. I have my work clothes ready and I know what I need to do. So let me just get into it.
Right.
So that way, I think on a daily basis, I was able to win. And 1 दिन का 2 दिन हुआ, 2 दिन का 3 दिन हुआ, 3 दिन का हफ्ता हुआ, हफ्ते का महीना हुआ, और महीने का 6 महीने हो गया. तो ऐसा नहीं कि बीच में I didn't have breaks. I also had a lot of breaks, also had a lot of up and down. But I think I again cultivated a very positive talking to myself with respect to exercise that I didn't have before. And I don't know इस बार क्यों आया, क्या आया, वो I think talking to you. That's why, that's the third struggle. I'll talk about this third struggle first अभी. कि the हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि why do we need a fitness trainer? We have all the information available online. But ऐसे ही, for example, you're a working professional or doing other things in life, you know, your life encompasses a lot of things.
Right.
आप फैमिली में भी टाइम दे रहे हो, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी टाइम दे रहे हो, अपने वर्क को टाइम दे रहे हो. A lot of times आप अपने आप को टाइम नहीं दे पाते हो, and even though you know you should work on yourself, somehow practice नहीं आती है. इंटरनली चीज नहीं हो पा रही है ना इतने सालों से और इतने महीनों से. So don't think कि एकदम से कुछ चेंज होगा. You need to bring some change.
Right.
And external change helps a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है. So I think if you are struggling with like losing weight or just like struggling with how you look in inculcating good habits,
right,
it's really, really important कि आप internally से अलग हटके externally चीज़ों को देखें. And external help की अगर है ज़रूरत, definitely take it. Like आँख बंद करके ज़रूर लीजिए, because it changes a lot of things internally also.
Right.
So that was again one of the challenge I had in my mind. Ki, will I be able to do it? I don't know. I might just like not respond to what Abhinav says, or वो जो मुझे बोलेगा ये properly करने को, I might not be able to do it. It's just a failure I am setting myself up to. It's okay. Right. Set up. Change in something, and जब तक आप change नहीं करोगे तब तक कोई results कभी show होते नहीं है.
Right.
So that's the second thing, and I think external fitness helps a lot with your eating habits. Even just talking to someone for this particular thing, जो आपको पता है is an expert. जो आपको पता है is a person who is also working with so many different. You're not the only person he's working with. He's working with so many different people. He knows कि we think जो हमारे साथ जो problems हो रही है, which is वो बहुत बड़ी है, because that's happening to us, because we don't know if other people are having the same problems or not. That person grounds you. That person gives you some sort of I would say enlightenment in general. That person, उसके साथ बात कर सकते हो छोटी छोटी चीजों के बारे में, जिससे फर्क पड़ता है बहुत ज़्यादा. So I think that was the third struggle, and I think I was you have this thing known as habit building phase, which I haven't seen in a lot of fitness influencers or trainers in themselves. So that in itself.
Please tell me someone who you have seen this phase with.
No, I haven't seen, and that actually converts you. Like शुरू में because दिमाग में ये होता है ना कि oh my god कल से dieting शुरू करनी है. That is generally like a misnomer we have. that was definitely not what you wanted to do. You actually listened to me when I said एकदम मुंह फट होके कि अरे मुझे तो मीठा खाना बहुत पसंद है, and you listened to it and you took that as a point in drafting, whatever you were drafting.
Right.
So that helps a lot, definitely. And second, I think with respect to food, I had said that. So coming back to the point again, with you, there was also this difference. I thought that you'd give me a diet saying कि इस टाइम पे ये खाना है, इस टाइम पे ये खिचड़ी खानी है, इस टाइम पे ये खाना है. You never did that because those things are not sustainable at all.
Right.
आप मुझे हफ्ते भर का प्लान दे दोगे कि ये खाना है, I can't. मैं उस चीज को I basically am dependent on you then for reasons that I should not be.
Right.
And main part for training like Abhinav Jain is that you train like him. You don't train for him. He's training you for for your own future, for whatever. आप बस उसकी तरह train हो रहे हो, आप वैसे train नहीं हो रहे हो. So
Right.
our food, whatever the food journey was, understanding the portion sizes or understanding what exactly encompasses in your plate, what is a balanced diet, कहाँ पे क्या चीज कम कर सकते हैं, what are the different types of protein, so that you can also have fun, you can make your own meals.
Right.
And even if you go out, what are the things you should order? So ये सारी चीजें are things that will stay with me, I think, for a lifelong journey. And सबके लिए अपना रहता है definitely, but that was again one of the struggles that I had, and I had no struggle like going out with my friends because मैं कोई सिर्फ only food based diet पे ऐसी चीज या सिर्फ keto diet पे कभी थी नहीं. I was just mindful whatever I'm eating, it should have proteins, it should have veggies, and ज़्यादा तला भुला नहीं होना चाहिए. That's it. But other than that, it was all like it was simple to handle.
Right.
And with the intentions.
Right.
So yeah, I think definitely after 6 months, I do come across as a person. I've got my friends who baat karte, they ask me about what it is, and I say that, see, this worked for me, but if you want something to work for you, definitely consult an expert. And because your problems will be totally different from my problems, do not listen to random Instagram advice or random advice on the internet because it needs to be catered for you. You are a person. आप अलग हो, आपके eating habits अलग है, आपके exercising habits अलग है, आपके sleeping habits अलग है. And it will always do you good to have an expert, to have a fitness trainer for your exercising, for your food, for your well-being, who keeps
Right.
you in with your whatever combination of things that you're doing.
Right.
So that will be my. तो कोई भी अगर मेरे पास आके बोलता है ना, I'm like, dude, basically have like an expert, have it for 3 or 6 months, try it, and then figure it out yourself rather than getting advice from XYZ.
Right.
Never helps in some sense. Like I मेरे लिए कभी help नहीं किया. मैंने भी बहुत लोगों से जाके पूछा, oh, how did you lose weight? How did you do this? Never worked. This worked.
Never worked. So I think Sanjana, you have pretty much told everything which most of the people are struggling with. Right now, we feel that everyone has different struggles, but everyone has made these struggles different in their own minds. Everyone has a story to tell. For example, I have a story which I tell myself. I will always tell myself my own limitation. Okay, these are my boundaries. Maybe I cannot do this. So the thing you talk about, whenever you are caught up in your mind, you should seek for external help. For right now, if you know things, how the concept of fitness works, everything which I taught you, I think you already knew somehow. That was already in your mind. Protein खाना है, veggies खानी important है, movement करना जरूरी है. कुछ नया तो नहीं मैंने बताया. But उसको
told us on 6th standard की class notebooks वगैरह जो होती है, उसमें हमें balance diet and fitness, we know everything.
You know everything.
We need someone else.
Right, but हमारे अगर मैंने भी अपने आप को कुछ बोला वो मुझे पता बट मैं एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पा रहा. दैट सिंपली मीन्स आई एम टेलिंग माई सेल्फ अ स्टोरी विच आई एम बिलीविंग. आई नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ माई ओन हेड, trust some other person and follow that footpath. But again, trusting someone else is also a task. You should trust a person who you are really sure about, right?
Yes, who is an expert, sure about being actually, who knows their things.
Right.
Rather than just going to someone जिसने अपना weight lose किया है, you should also not take advice from them. I would say take advice from a person who is doing it for other people, who is an expert, who is a trainer themselves.
Right.
Because you're a teacher. Imagine you need to become a student of life, right? हम लोग इतना पढ़ के इतना school, college, जाके we need guidance from teachers, right? This is also a school. This is also knowledge about your own well-being. So
Right.
go to an expert and take guidance from them. Don't go to random people and take advices from random things on the internet because this
Right.
person lost this much weight. So, अरे आज तो ये ज्ञानी बन चुका है. No, don't do that. Be
Right.
very like honor yourself and go to an expert.
राइट आई थिंक लोग ना सिर्फ क्विक फिक्सेस ढूंढ रहे हैं, कोई मैजिक पिल मिल जाए हमें, कोई हमें बता दे कौन सी बेस्ट डाइट है. इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग उसके लिए वर्क की थी, उसने 5 किलो लूज किया, मैं भी कर लेता हूँ. बट इफ योर लाइफस्टाइल इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू लूज वेट? And 90% of people cannot do intermittent fasting, and intermittent fasting is not even a way of, it doesn't make sure that what you are eating. It just makes sure that you are eating less. And just eating less is not the solution to your problems. It's much more than that. It's much more, I would say, you need to systemize that in a way. I think first thing you said regarding your workouts, ki workouts schedule करने पड़ते हैं. You really need to plan your workout. You cannot be like, अगर आप easy professional हो 9 to 5 में, because काफी लोगों के पास यही प्रॉब्लम है. 9 to 5 I was busy, 5 बजे के बाद ना मेरा मन नहीं किया. I was very tired. I was very late.
Give yourself that room for making a decision. Yeah,
Yes.
don't do that.
I was very lazy, so I was not finding that motivation to work out. I was like, no, whatever good things are in life, they don't go as per your emotions. Did you ask yourself that were you feeling to open your laptop and start your work? Do you feel excited about your work every single day? Oh, I am so excited for my work. I'm so motivated to do my work. No, there's a purpose attached to it. It is going to improve the quality of life. Simply a movement. If you're looking to start working out, it is going to, I would say, it is going to take your planning. If you're not planning कि मैं 6 बजे कल वर्कआउट करने वाला हूँ या वाली हूँ, अगर आप schedule नहीं कर रहे हो अपने plan में, then it is not going to happen automatically. Because after a work day, what is the most common feeling to have? कि मेरा आज मन नहीं कर रहा था. That is common with you as well. आपके साथ भी common था. But आपने उस बैरियर को क्रॉस कैसे किया? आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन किया. By planning it a day prior, that it is a part of my routine, by scheduling it. So I think pre-planning your things and actually scheduling and giving importance to your own plan is, I think, the number one game changer.
This is coming from a person I don't like planning. I hate sitting on my calendar and seeing कि ये चीजें करनी. I hate it. But again, even with respect to food, I planned. I remember when my food was going in weird directions, and I'm like, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मैं food को कैसे control करूँ, like protein, like घर का खाना. I can't make it every day in the morning because I'm getting ready and I need to go to office.
Right.
So again, it's planning. And planning को ऐसे नहीं समझना है. Again, this is personal to me. अगर कोई resonate करता है, then well and good. But this is very personal to me कि I don't like to plan. And मुझे calendar पे बैठना या खाना plan करना, I'm like, no, I'm a very impromptu person. Actually, when you plan your food and your workout, you're honoring your future self. Like आपने पहले से ही, you're sort of like taking care of a future you in some sense. Like there are a lot of decisions and a lot of feelings that we have in the moment, which ठीक है, in the moment it makes sense, but आपको भी पता है for a long term it's not good for you. जब आप bag of chips खा रहे हो, आपको पता है in the moment you eat it because in the moment वो emotions आ रहे होते हैं. But if for a longer term, if you need to see, there's also a longer term वाला person sitting in the back of your head, right? That needs to plan. So give उतना give yourself that much of credibility, give yourself that much of honor कि कल जब when I'll be exhausted, when I have to make the decision, उस time को decision मैं अभी बना देती हूँ कि कल I will not decide that should I work out or not work out, because हर चीज मैंने पहले से plan या काम करके रखा है, so that कल मैं अपने को मौका ही ना दूँ decide करने का. And then when I do the workout, I always feel good, right? Or when you have a good meal, after effects इसके हमेशा अच्छे होते हैं. There's never been a workout after which I said, अरे that workout I shouldn't have done. अरे वहाँ पे नहीं जाना चाहिए था. I've never felt that way.
Right.
So that explains that you should plan things for yourself, not for showing to someone else कि calendar भरा हुआ है, मैं कितनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. अपने लिए करो, अपनी future self के लिए करो, because आपको future self proud होगा आपके पास self पे कि चलो उसने इतना सब कुछ प्लान करके रख दिया था. खाने के लिए भी उसने ये प्रोटीन ये वेजीज प्लान करके रख देते, कल रात को बना के रख देता. So now she's not eating outside today. So it's like a win after the end of the day. When you have checked those things, right, it's actually a win. So
it actually gives you happiness. It actually
yes,
tells you that okay, you are a good person, you are doing good things, and it just helps you have a good feeling about yourself. But
give
even if you're
chance, get yourself a chance to feel that good. हम तो
right,
अपने को चांस ही नहीं देते कि लाइक मैंने तो नहीं दिया था कि हमेशा सोचती रहती थी ओ ऐसा करूंगी तो हो जाएगा, बट नेवर गेव माई सेल्फ अ रियल चांस टू फील हैप्पी इन दिस वे ऑफ लाइक टिक बॉक्सिंग की आज मैंने एक्सरसाइज भी किया, आज मैंने खाना भी अच्छा खाया, आई फील गुड.
I
So
feel
give yourself a chance, and if you're not able to do it, take help. And
Take-
help always works. Help के लिए चला like किसी के पास help के लिए जाना is never a bad thing. It's
Right.
always
And I think planning is one thing which will solve your each and every problem. And the reason why people don't indulge in planning because they are settling for the instant gratification. For example, आज मैं planning चलो नहीं की मैंने, right? People are like कि हमसे हो क्यों नहीं पा रहा, मेरे को वर्कआउट करने का नहीं दिल किया, मुझे अच्छा खाने का दिल नहीं किया, घर पे कुछ अवेलेबल नहीं था, because you have not planned. Every day if you're living your life without a plan, without a vision, then you are just going to feel lost. You are always going to be low on energy and you are always seeking motivation. मेरे में motivation क्यों नहीं आ रही है? But motivation only comes when you have a vision. Once you know where you want to go. Is that correct?
definitely, definitely.
Most of the
And
people are
vision
driving the car. Most of the people are driving the car. They go on a drive. It's just like going on a drive with yourself every single day and telling yourself, अभी मेरा मन कहाँ कर रहा है, लेफ्ट मुड़ जाता हूँ, अभी मैं राइट मुड़ जाता हूँ, अभी मैं सीधा ले लेता हूँ. But do you think if you do like this, you don't know your destination, you don't know the plan where you want to go, will you be ever able to reach your destination? That's my question. So what will give you more freedom? Is it planning today?
it's planning today.
Right?
For sure.
It will give you more freedom rather than you already having that lost feeling because you are like कि नहीं यार मुझे नहीं planning करनी because मैं free रहना चाहता हूँ, मैं इतना caught up नहीं रहना चाहता, right? So I think वो freedom
I have a different theory of that free quarter because I was also in that boat.
right.
I also did my job prep. Like when I came with you, I was at the height of my job prep. The situation in the US was not the best. And not a lot of jobs available also. So basically, you need to be at the top of your game. And again, calls nahi aayege because ज़्यादातर जगहों में layoffs हो रहे हैं. So I would actually give an anecdote how this particular whatever we did for first 3 months helped me in like preparing and just have a sane mind while job prep. Because job prep in itself is a very daunting task. You don't know what's going to happen in future. It's extremely sad. You don't know what's going to happen in future. Calls आएगी कहीं से नहीं आएगी. There's just a lot of stuff which is adding up every day. Like every day new things are coming up and you need to study more.
Right.
A lot of things are out of your control.
Right.
And you can easily get stressed and say that nahi ho raha hai, wo sab kuch ho raha hai. I used to have a lot of feelings. I used to have job prep ka stress. I also used to not like looking at myself in the mirror. So wo thoughts dimag mein. I had thoughts about, yes, I'm not doing my food and exercise wala bit theek se. I'm not exercising. I'm not eating good food. So all those thoughts were in my head. The thing that I'm saying, where you feel like I want to be free and everything, you're never free. There are always thoughts in your head going on.
That you are
always caught up. You're always caught up. So what I did was in January when I took the decision to come with you, I'm like, I cannot handle all these thoughts. I can handle job ka stress to some extent, but I can't handle all other thoughts in my head. I need to do something about it. I cannot just always keep on going on thinking about it.
I am the superhuman. I can handle this as well. You have to choose your battles basically.
You have to choose your battles. So hence, unhi thoughts ke saath I presented those thoughts to you. And I said, aap meri help kar do ki what to do next. And the beautiful thing that you did was aapne us cheez ko jo un thoughts ko itne properly plan kiya ki I never had thought, especially in the first 3 months. I didn't think about how I was looking in the mirror. मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, exercise कर रही हूँ, because I knew in the back of my head कि मैं कर रही हूँ चीज़. I am putting effort, I'm doing planning, right? So all those thoughts went away and I could have more time to focus on my job prep and whatever was happening in that area. And because ये planning sort of was working, like I was very skeptical कि वो एक दिन चलेगा, 2 दिन चलेगा, कितने दिन चलेगा. That worked for like first 3 weeks. I was actually surprised at myself कि मैं कुछ चीज कर सकती हूँ for a longer time. This I used to do it when we were doing JEE की coaching, like as kids. The last time I did all of this was when I was like a kid. And as an adult, this was the first time I was able to plan something in one direction, in one aspect of my life. So I took that kind of learning from that aspect and I put it on my job prep also. And then I planned my job prep also. कि आज इतने questions करने हैं, आज इतनी coding करनी है, आज इतना ये पढ़ना है, आज इनको ऐसे reach out करना है. So when you do one thing correctly in your life, like planning me, it automatically goes to other aspects of your life. So
how you do one thing is how you do everything.
Everything, yes. And you take that inspiration from yourself. So when you said that thing, right, कि मैं free रहना चाहता हूँ, actually nobody is free. Free in the moment. I also used to feel like मैं free in the moment. मैं कभी free in the moment थी नहीं. Still I had thoughts like, oh, I'm actually gaining weight. Oh, I don't look nice in pictures. Oh, mirror के सामने I'm not recognizing myself. What kind of free is that? That is not the free that you should have. You know, though, again, honor yourself, honor your future self, and do things for a future version of you, not the present or the past. Usme nahi rehna. So, yeah,
Wow.
that.
Wow, Sanjana. Wow, I think I remember the first day I met you versus today I'm talking to you. These are two different people talking right in front of me. So I think that is the real change I have seen here. Not just a physical change, not how you eat, but how it is connected. So how you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you know that your actions are aligned and you are doing positive actions, you will have that better feeling about yourself in every other pillar of life. Because काफी बारी लोगों को ना एंजाइटी होती है, स्ट्रेस होता है, बिकॉज उनको अपनी रियलिटी पता होती है. उनको पता है वो उनकी हैबिट्स अच्छी नहीं है, उनका खाना पीना अच्छा नहीं है, उनकी स्लीप अच्छी नहीं है, जो 9 to 5 के अगर वो सर्कल में है, उसके अलावा उनकी लाइफ में और कहीं प्लानिंग नहीं है. उनके रिलेशनशिप स्टेक पे हैं, उनकी पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप जो उनका अपने साथ स्टेक पे है, उनकी हेल्थ अपने स्टेक पे है. जब आपको अपनी रियलिटी पता होती है ना, वो आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली स्ट्रेस करती है. Right? The case you were in earlier, you were in stress because you knew your reality. Whenever you see yourself in the mirror every single day, you know your answers, that you are not putting in the work, and that is making you feel guilty every day. But once you start putting in the action, once you don't think about that, what results are going to come, how it is going to happen, you just stay in the moment that today I'm going to make sure that I stay planned, I put in the action, what is required for a better version of my future. Right? Once you start doing that repetitively, once you start understanding the importance of your routine, the power of planning, you get more and more and more freedom. You just get a better feeling about yourself, and that feeling, that planning reflects in each and every pillar. You get better with your work as well. You get better with the productivity as well. You find ways how to keep yourself alert and productive in the work. You get to know yourself more deeply, right? You are able to connect with your mind more in a better way, right? Because you know that you are doing better things in life. You are putting in.
I would actually like to thank you in so many regards. There's another point I want to put. I'm sorry, मैं बहुत बोल रही हूँ, but एक और point है जो मुझे बोलना है. You have this word that you use अपनी DMs में डालने के लिए, come back. You know, come back is such a good word because कभी-कभी हम start करते हैं इन सारी journeys में, and we're like, oh, we're doing so good, everything is working so well, and it just requires like one day for you to get off the track. जो होता है, it's एक दिन क्या, लोग के 2 दिन में बन जाते हैं. You have this entire philosophy of come back, कि even if you get swayed away, you can always come back,
right?
And you can come back stronger. So that thinking, I would personally like attest you, because you are the person जिसने मेरे दिमाग में comeback वाली strategy लेके आया. Because in everything with respect to your professional life, your relationships, your family and friends, your food habits, everything, you can get derailed, but you can always come back, and you can always come back stronger. Make the comeback stronger. So that particular bit also, I think we again, these are the things that I didn't know I was signing up for. So I think the best decision I took this year was basically going ahead with you. Even though many people were telling me, "अरे trainer से कुछ नहीं होता. Trainer will just give you like a diet plan. You need to do it yourself. अंदर से motivation आना चाहिए." I listened to everything, but in the end, I'm like, I need to try it. So अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता भी है कि what to do, क्या करना चाहिए, I'm like, get yourself a very good trainer. Trainer for your mind, trainer for your body, trainer to honor yourself. Because the way they change your life, they won't give you a magic pill. They will actually make you question your own belief.
Right.
But to stay with you during the entire process. You were there with me for the entire process whenever I was having bad days. मेरी भी ये आदत है, अगर मैं बैड डेज हो रहे तो आई ट्राई टू लाइक नहीं, मैं हेल्प नहीं मांगूंगी, मैं खुद से करूंगी. आई थिंक वो धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा चला गया व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू मैसेज यू एंड बी लाइक, अपना फोन नहीं रहा, आज का दिन नहीं गया, ये चीज ठीक से नहीं हो रही. एंड यू ऑलवेज हैड सॉल्यूशंस टू दैट कि चलो हम ज्यादा अकाउंटेबिलिटी रख देंगे और इस चीज में थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दे. यू हैड सॉल्यूशंस फॉर एवरीथिंग. सो रादर देन फीलिंग गिल्टी इन माई सेल्फ, take it all out. And comebacks har kisi ke hote, just come back stronger. So I really like the term comeback that you have in your entire ethos. Because we always come back. We are never on like a steady path all our lives, ever. We always have to come back. So make that comeback impactful, make that comeback stronger, and always believe that you can come back.
Right.
वो छूट जाता है कि comeback नहीं कर सकते. अरे कर सकते हैं, आराम से कर सकते हैं. अगर खुद पे विश्वास नहीं, किसी और पे विश्वास कर दो. So that is what I had full faith in you. कि ठीक है, these are हो जाएगा, कुछ होगा, कुछ करके हो जाएगा. We'll deal with it later. I had this thing कि this year I wanted to go for this Taylor Swift concert, and I realized कि January में when I had got the tickets, I'm like, I really don't want to go to this concert. I actually thought that I don't want to go to this concert because, oh my God, I'm so fat. I don't like looking myself in pictures. Imagine I'm thinking about this for a concert. So when I said that thoughts are always in your head, right? Thoughts के लिए the main funda is to do something. And जब अंदर से नहीं हो रहा ना, तो external help मांगना बहुत important है. So one of the things that came out of this, which I actually had forgotten the 6 months when I was training with you, was कि ये concert आ रहा है. And the way I looked in the concert, I actually liked my pictures a lot. I actually enjoyed a lot in that concert, and I was in a very good space mentally, physically, and I had not मैंने उसके बारे में सोचा नहीं था कभी. मतलब I didn't think कि that will be the bit. So when you asked for me, right, कि what was the like end product क्या है या end result, people have those before and after pictures. मेरे दिमाग में snapshot is before, when I was in January, when I was standing in front of the mirror and I could not look myself into the mirror. And the after version is basically how I was feeling in the concert. Right. And I was extremely happy. I was happy with the choices I made. I was happy with the planning I did. I was happy with trusting you with this process. I was just in general happy. So right. I would just say that give yourself the chance to feel that happy about yourself. Right. So chance पे लेना बहुत important है.
Right. Yeah. Wow, I think I just want to listen to you today and not speak much because you are talking so gracefully that I'm just enjoying this conversation. So I think Sanjana, very, very, very happy to talk to you today. So my again question would be that we all go, when we talk about busy professionals, they are going through mental crisis. Most of them have issues like mental issues, anxiety, stress, about a lot of things, right? So do you have an advice for them that if their routine is not planned, if they are not getting the best out of it, and still they're having stress and anxiety and this related issues, what is your advice to them how to deal with such issues
from mental health point of view?
Right.
Definitely.
I just don't want you to be a therapist for them, but I just want you to tell them what is the role of movement and eating good and designing your habits in a better way can do for them. Not telling, because everyone can have different problems, but what is the role of movement, eating good, and good habits can do for their stress, anxiety, and mental health issues?
For sure. Again, I won't be a therapist. Whatever I'm talking is from like personal, they're all personal anecdotes.
Right.
So, with respect to this, I do think कि जब stress, like at least मुझे जब stress anxiety होती है, it's not from one thing. It's from a variety of things.
Right.
And somehow दिमाग में समझ नहीं आ रहा होता किसको प्रायोरिटाइज करे, क्या करे, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. Like these are the questions that ये चीज ठीक नहीं चल रही, ये चीज ठीक नहीं चल रही. There's just a variety of things. And वो variety of things एकदम से ठीक नहीं हो सकते. You need to आपको एक तो you need to have like a very open भी नहीं बोलूंगी, a fresh mindset. A person who is having an anxiety-ridden mindset cannot do anything. Like with the problem उनके पास जो problems है वो कुछ solve नहीं कर सकते because वो उस state में ही नहीं है.
Right.
The state in which you are stressed and anxious, आप उस state में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. And that is a forever, it's a loop. It's like a spiral.
Right.
It doesn't take you out of it, right?
Right.
So movement and exercise, I would say, these two things, what it does, क्योंकि मेरे जो thoughts होते थे or whatever mental health या anxiety होते, they are not coming from one part, right? There's also a certain part in your mental health crisis or your anxiety which is stemming from your how you look or how your body is, right? आप उस चीज को हटा सकते हो और okay, to put it in a nice way is कि when you exercise and when you move, you're in a better mind space to deal with things. You're not in an anxious mind space जो आप when you don't move and you're sitting on your desk. आप जो mind space रहता है ना, there's a shift when you move a lot. जब आप move करते हो, and this has been even told by research also, things shift in your head. You start using some compute in your head to prioritize things.
Give yourself a fighting chance.
Yes, fighting chance or when you're sitting on a desk and you're extremely anxious ना, उस टाइम में को पता भी नहीं होता कि next step क्या करूँ to feel better.
Right.
Right? But when you're like, for example, moving, when you're exercising, when you have endorphins in, you have the energy or you have the mental capacity to do the next thing or prioritize the next thing.
Right.
I was a very जब मैं अपनी job prep से बता सकती हूँ, I was extremely anxious. I had got a job offer from Amazon and everything, and layoffs हो गए थे. And because of that, that job offer got postponed. And with respect to our visa status, it's an extremely anxiety-ridden state.
Right.
And when I was anxious, I was just not thinking about this. I was thinking about so many things.
Right.
And I'm like, nothing will happen. And what was the cure of all of this? Either you binge something or you overeat, या इस चीज को तड़का दो. Like just keep this entire box and इसको कहीं और रख दो so that tomorrow you can be anxious again. But I never had the mental capacity to deal with it, to do something with it.
Right.
And I started some sort of like workout or some sort of like walking with you. I felt good. I felt like I was in control and I could take that box of so many mental health worries. And उनमें से मुझे पता था दो चीजें तो मैंने I have taken care of. One is like how I look because I'm putting in efforts. Second is I'm getting movement and all these things. That also I'm doing planning about, खाने के सब. अब ये जो बाकी चीजें हैं, let me handle this. So already आपने अपना जो baggage था उसको आधा कर दिया. And now you also have the mental bandwidth because science है, endorphins release होते हैं when you walk. You also meet people, you see different things. There's so many. एक desk पे बैठने से आपकी चीजें solve नहीं होने वाली. You need to move. You need to exercise. जिसकी वजह से आप एक ऐसे mental state पे आओ जहाँ पे आप कुछ कर सकते हो उन चीजों का. You can make some effort in doing things about it.
Right.
That helped me a lot. The movement, like 15,000 steps or 10,000 steps every day, मेरे हो जाते थे. People ask me अभी भी कि how are you able to do so many steps? I'm like, because I think so much, I overthink so much, I have to walk that much of distance to clear my head.
Clear my head. Wow.
So you need to clear your head, right? To handle things. You have to handle things in general. So start with like small, ये बहुत छोटे changes है.
Right.
It's not like आप कि चंद्रयान पे जा रहे हो something. वो सब कुछ नहीं. It's a very small change. And small change starts from one day before. One day before कैसे? कल अगर मुझे सुबह उठ के I need to go for walk, right? That means I need to sleep by 9 or 10 p.m.
Right.
Do not start your day in the morning at 6 p.m. When you wake up like around 10 p.m. when already things have happened and चीजें आगे निकल चुकी. थोड़ा सा पहले रहो टाइम से. जैसे आज अगर दिन अच्छा नहीं गया, it's okay. रात को plan it and be like, okay, 10 बजे तक I need to sleep. या 11 maximum 11 o'clock I'm going to sleep and I'm going to wake up in the morning and seize the day. Seize the day का मतलब है कि I will have it all planned and मैं उसके साथ साथ चल रहा हूँ. The day is not going ahead of me. I'm going with the day. So छोटी छोटी चीजों से small habits, if they change,
Right.
they have a ripple effect. And that has caused, this is not something new. We have seen this with all the big CEOs. We have seen this with all big actors, how they talk about in interviews. But this actually helps. This actually works.
Right.
So, you're in a 9 to 5 Vaisa job, start with planning your day in the sense that honors yourself. Start with being ahead of the day. Start with, सुबह जब मैं start हो रहा हूँ, चीजें आगे ना बढ़ जाए मुझसे, मीटिंग्स वगैरह आगे ना बढ़ जाओ, मैं साथ साथ चलूँ या मैं आगे रहूँ. वो आपसे है ना एक दिन पहले से शुरू होता है. So yeah, I think it has a direct connect. मेरे तो direct connection है between walking and mental health. If I walk a lot, that means I'm thinking a lot and I'm just clearing my head. So you need to clear your head to think it through. And exercise always helps. Like I said pehle bhi, you will never regret that 1 hour of exercise after. Like I have never regretted any exercise session that I have gone for. Ever. And that says a lot.
Right.
Wow. So yeah, just do these things and बाकी का बाद पे छोड़ दो. Like वो जो decision लेना है ना, या जो सोचना है, पहले काम कर लो, उसके बाद सोचो. अभी मत सोचो कि अरे कल exercise करूँगी, उसके बाद I'll feel like this. अरे tomorrow, just do the exercise first and then think कि what is the next thing that I need to do. So start taking those steps, and अगर steps नहीं ले पा रहे हो, again go to again probably come to Abhinav. He will help you with having these habits. That's where he comes.
Right.
You know what all habits you want. You know what all you need to do. But आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो. So there has to be a reason, right? There has to be a solution for it. आप बस उस पर रह नहीं सकते. You can't just lie down and be like, ये मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है. Next step लेते हैं. अगर आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, external help, take Abhinav Jain, and he will make sure now it's his problem. You've actually आपने अपना problem outsource कर दिया कि ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम था, अब मैं आउटसोर्स कर रहा हूँ इस प्रॉब्लम को. अभिनव अब आप देखो, अब अभिनव की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मेक श्योर कि आप काम कर रहे हो. So take it this way, and it should help you.
But I think, yes, I think that's very kind of you that you've been saying that Abhinav will solve your entire problems. But I honestly believe that I'm only able to solve problems of people who are ready to help themselves. Right?
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
Right?
I can just ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा and I've just given all the problems. And say the guilt and the mental, I think you have a lot of mental thing.
Right? मेरे को लगता था पहले कि मेरे को सबकी हेल्प करनी है. I want to make this life better. I want to help this person. But over the time मेरे लिए इतना कई बार स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाता है कई लोगों के साथ डील करना, बिकॉज कई इतना ज्यादा अपने अंदर कॉट अप है कि वो दूसरों को सुनना ही नहीं चाहते.
तो फिर उन्होंने, I would say that they have not outsourced their problems to you.
Right?
They still are, हाँ, कुछ ना कुछ लेके बैठे हैं, और they are not trusting.
उन्होंने अगेन एक मैजिक पिल, उनको लगता है कि एक पर्सन आ गया तो उनकी लाइफ चेंज कर देगा. बट इफ दे आर नॉट कमिंग आउट ऑफ देयर ओन हेड्स and actually they don't start trusting the other person and start taking action, nothing is going to happen, because you have to fight back also. You will, मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ कि हम ऐसे करते हैं, मैं आपको solutions दे सकता हूँ, but क्या आप solution mindset से सोच रहे हो कि आप सिर्फ problem के बारे में सोच रहे हो, right? That also matters a lot. So I think right now संजना आज सारी बातें कर रही है कि अपने वर्कआउट प्लान करो, अपने न्यूट्रिशन प्लान करो. That she's only telling from your own experience.
Oh my God, 6 months of dedicated experience. So आप बता सकते if I was dedicated or not.
Right.
But oh my God, and even the things, I think when you ask me कि हर दिन photos खींचो अपने food का, I'm like, oh my God, just send it on WhatsApp. I don't want to do that. This is too much cumbersome for my mental. तो उसी चीज को I made it interesting. I'm like, you know what, Abhinav, मैं ना इसमें एक Instagram page, क्योंकि मुझे Instagram पे पोस्ट करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, random चीजें. I'm like, make it a fun process. This is not supposed to be डांट की कोई तुमसे कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. It's something that you are doing for yourself.
You also need to find your own creative ways, ना, that how it is going to work. Okay, मेरे कोच ने मुझे बोला ये करो, बट अगर आप नहीं कर सकते हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप उसको कम्युनिकेट करो. अगर कम्युनिकेशन के बाद भी बेस्ट सोल्यूशन वो निकला, देन आप अपना एक सोल्यूशन भी रेडी रखो कि आप अपनी तरफ से वो सोल्यूशन क्या निकाल रहे हो. आप कहोगे नहीं यार मैं मीटिंग में फंस गया था, नहीं मेरे से ये हो नहीं पाएगा, मैं इतना रिजिड नहीं हूँ, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर आपने खुद ही बोल दिया मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, देन डेफिनेटली नहीं होगा आपसे.
I would also say that that's a very nice tactic that you have, कि send me food pictures, because when you see your own food pictures, you get motivated from there. एक हफ्ता अगर आपने food अच्छा सा कर लिया अपना, right? You get motivated and you get excited. कि अरे I did it for 1 week, अब next week देखते कैसा होगा. So I still go to my own Instagram page and I see कि okay मैं क्या क्या कर रही थी उस time पे, and it helps me.
proofs. You are collecting proofs.
Yeah.
बताना पड़ता अपने mind को कि this is who we are. We are not this. For example, आज आपने just an example, आपने एक डेजर्ट खा लिया, एक पिज्जा खा लिया, कल वो एक्शन रिपीट हुआ, राइट? उसके बाद वो एक्शन रिपीट हुआ. अब काफी लोग अपने आप को ये बोलेंगे यार मैंने तो पूरा दिन ना कुछ खाया नहीं था, ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया था, मैं इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग कर रहा हूँ, और दोपहर को भी मेरा कोई लंच नहीं हुआ, तो ऑफिस में बिजी था, तो अब मैं डिजर्व करता हूँ. You keep on telling yourself fake stories unless and until you have a medium where you actually see कि नहीं यार, this is how I am doing things. You actually want to seek the truth, right? And with accountability, my only goal through your meal pictures or through your weekly check-ins, by looking at your actions, is just that I want to make you more aware that how you are doing things. A lot of times, you know, कभी आपका भी फेज आया होगा कि अभिनव यार मेरा वेट नहीं कम हो रहा, इस हफ्ते क्या हो रहा है, मैं क्या करता था? What I used to say, look at the process. Look at the process. Look at your own food pictures. Look at your own weekly step log. Look at your own workouts. Do you think you are lacking somewhere? Do you think we can improve somewhere in the next week? And I see that always there will be something you can improve it. You just need to come, talk to yourself and tell yourself कि नहीं यार ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसका मुझे सोल्यूशन निकालना, मेरे पास नहीं है, तो मुझे डिस्कस करना अपने कोच के साथ सोल्यूशन क्या है. अगर आपने मान लिया ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो ही नहीं सकती, देन नहीं सॉल्व होगी, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी ऑफ द सोल्यूशन माइंडसेट and you have to plan ahead of time and go with the plan.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, plan ahead and yeah, definitely.
I think
So yeah, that Instagram page definitely helps me abhi bhi in seeing things. I'm like okay, because मेरे दिमाग में चीज, हमें लगता है दिमाग में चीजें रहते हैं, we remember things. At least I used to be this very what do you call, बहुत ज्यादा वो रहता था कि मुझे सब कुछ याद रहता है. I remember everything, but दिमाग में चीजें याद नहीं रहती. दिमाग में selected चीजें याद रहती हैं. Like you said, we make stories in our head. तो दिमाग में facts and stories दोनों चीजें मिक्स अप हो जाती हैं.
स्टोरी से बाहर आओ. लोग अपने आप को हमेशा, मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं स्पॉटलाइट में हूँ, मुझे हर कोई देख रहा है, मतलब मेरे एक्शन मैं ही हूँ, मतलब दुनिया में, मतलब सारी दुनिया मेरे अराउंड ही रिवॉल्व है. एंड ये सबसे बड़ा गलत थॉट है. जब हमें लगता है कि ओके मैं जिम में गया हूँ तो मुझे जिम में लोग देख रहे हैं, कैसा लग रहा हूँ मैं कैसा वो मूवमेंट कर रहा हूँ. बिकॉज जो कोई बिगिनर स्टार्ट करना चाहता है वो कहेगा यार जिम में जाके मुझे लोग ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, बट नोबडी केयर्स हु यू आर. Seriously, let me tell you, people who are experienced in the gym, people who are experienced and who really value fitness, they will be actually happy that this person is trying. So stop creating your own stories, and if you are thinking कि लोग मुझे notice करके मेरे बारे में गलत सोच रहे हैं, then also it's your problem. You need to make it right. You need to make sure that you give them something nice to talk about yourself, and how that is going to happen by changing your own reality. अगर आप अपने इमोशंस में caught up हो गए हो, मेरे को लोग मोटा समझ रहे हैं, मेरे को लोग ऐसा समझ रहे हैं, ऐसा समझ रहे हैं, then it also shows that you have insecurity about certain things, and that also tells me that you know that you are not putting in the work in changing that, right? If you are putting in the work, keep putting in the work, and just, I would say, just don't give up until you become the person that you are chasing. No matter what लोग क्या देख रहे हैं. मेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो थी इंस्टाग्राम पे, आई थिंक आई शेयर्ड विद यू once, like this is how I posted my first video, this is who I am today. Maybe today I'm not even a very bright influencer, or you know, I don't seek myself like that. Today also I seek faults in my own self, and I seek faults in myself not with the motive of making myself guilty and giving up. I seek faults in myself with the motive of improving. कि हाँ यार, आई एम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, आई एम नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि सब मुझे ही देख रहे हैं, मेरे को देख के इंस्पिरेशन ले रहे हैं, बट आई ऑल्सो कैन डू मिस्टेक्स, एंड आई जस्ट नीड टू see my own mistakes and find a better way of doing things. That's it.
Yeah.
If you can always come up with that, come out of your own head and be your own critic, very honest critic, with the motive of telling yourself कि नहीं यार इसमें हो सकता है improve, with the motive of coming back. Yes, it can be done. बिकॉज कम बैक का मतलब मेरे लिए यही है कि लाइफ में कभी भी कुछ भी खराब हो सकता है. यू थिंक कि आज आपकी लाइफ में सब सही चल रहा है, आपकी जॉब अच्छी है, आपकी फैमिली अच्छी है, आपकी फिटनेस अच्छी है, आपका खाना भी और मेटाबॉलिज्म इज आल्सो फास्ट, बट कल को जस्ट विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड कुछ भी हो सकता है. व्हाट अबाउट दैट? व्हाट व्हेन थिंग्स विल नॉट गो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्लान? right? You just need to tell yourself this shall to pass and I will come back. Problems aa rahi hai, I will be patient, I will seek for solutions. Yes, this might be a bad time, but this doesn't state that this is a bad life. My job as the best thing I can do for myself is fight back and to seek for solutions. If I give up, if I feel guilty about my own situation, then no one is coming to save you. You just need to save yourself first, then seek for help, right? आप नहीं डिपेंड हो सकते कि कोई बचा लेगा, अभिनव बचा लेगा या कोई कोच बचा लेगा.
वो नहीं. हाँ, so okay,
काफी लोगों के साथ बैड एक्सपीरियंस भी होते हैं. The thing why a lot of people don't start their journey with fitness coaches because काफी लोग कर चुके हैं at certain point and उनका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं रहा है कुछ ट्रेनर के साथ, कुछ डाइटिशियन के साथ. You told me you were expecting कि आपको 1 बजे खिचड़ी खाने को दी जाएगी, 3 बजे आपको ओट्स के आटे की रोटी दी जाएगी खाने को. That was the one experience which was holding you back from starting with another trainer, right? So ये माइंड में हो सकता है,
right? Again, yeah, leap of faith लेने की जरूरत है, अपने आप पे लेने की जरूरत है.
आप, right? That's what.
And yourself, right? You can do it. You need help. Like even I was like, मैं try करूँगी. I need help. Hence, I'm like, Abhinav, please help. But I also told Abhinav that जो आप बोलोगे ना, जितना मैं आपको promise करूँगी, उतना मैं आपको दूंगी.
उतना
अपनी तरफ से. And अगर नहीं दे पा रही होंगी तो मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि ये नहीं हो रहा है. Even for the gym thing, जब मैं first time when I went to gym, people are, yeah, I was also worried about how I was looking and stuff. But I had this talk with myself कि if I was someone to gym regularly जाता and I see someone, या अगर मैं किसी और को देखते who is struggling या वो पहली बार कर रहे हैं, I will not have those thoughts in my head कि oh देखो वो पहली बार आया. I would be very proud of them, right?
Right.
So exactly. If I can feel that proud for someone else altogether, because जब मैं gym में गई थी, there was another person who became a friend later on, who was also coming to gym उसी दिन या उसी हफ्ते she started. And when I looked at her and I'm like, wow, like she took कितना mentally कितना मतलब she would be strong और उसने पूरा का पूरा resolve लिया होगा आज कि आज मैं या इस हफ्ते जाके gym जाऊंगी and I'll try to do this. Mentally, you know, it's like breaking barriers to some extent. So when I looked, I was so proud, and then I'm like, hey, why I can't be proud of myself looking at myself in the mirror? I can actually have the same thought of what I'm thinking about this ABC person over there. I can think about it in a very similar way about myself. Rather than body को देखना, talk about कि, for example, कल आप gym में नहीं थे, आज आप gym आए हो, for example. कल आपको इतना डर लग रहा था कि कैसे हो सकता है इतना, आज you are actually in the gym and you're doing the movements. While you're doing the movements ना, feel confident, feel good. Don't feel good just standing there and looking at your shape. Shape वगैरह आती जाती रहती है, आएगी भी जाएगी भी, फिर से आएगी. वो चलता रहता है. वो तो अभी भी if I say कि okay, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी शेप थोड़ी सी चेंज हो चुकी है पहले से, but it's okay. When I go to gym now also, I look at my movements. When I'm doing the movements, when मैं वो भारी भारी जो मुझे लगते थे डम्बल्स में नहीं उठा पाऊंगी, मैं उनको उठा रही हूँ and I'm doing the movements correctly. That gives me the strength बहुत ज़्यादा. So when you're looking yourself in the gym also, don't look at yourself just as a person standing.
Just as a parent. Look within that what you are doing, that you are here. You're
today. Yeah.
Right.
Kal, you are not doing anything. Today you're doing one mountain climber. Kal, you were not doing anything. Today you're able to do half squat. Not even full. I had a whole problem with squats. I also know. But I'm like, कल तो मैं बस खड़ी हुई थी. कल तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही थी. आज कम से कम मैं squat कर रही हूँ. So I'll take this as a win. So अपने like अगर इतना ही self-absorbed होना है ना, तो in a good way self-absorbed हो. And don't look at other, like, you were correct. The people who are very seasoned with gym, right? They also started from day 0. Don't compare your day 0 with someone's day 365 or day 600 or day 60. Don't do that. Don't अपने आप को क्यों गाली दे रहे हो? Don't do that.
Because I think जो आप अपने बारे में सोच रहे हो, लोग भी आपको वैसे ही रिसीव करेंगे.
Exactly.
अगर आप इनमें जाके आप मूवमेंट एंजॉय कर रहे हो, अपना वर्कआउट आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो, यू आर लाइक कि यार मैं कल से बेटर हूँ. कल तो मैं जिम आ भी नहीं रही थी, मैं मूवमेंट कर भी नहीं रही थी, आज मैं मूवमेंट कर रही हूँ. If you look yourself like that, other people will also perceive that. But if you are just telling yourself, "Yeah, I am fat, I am this, I am that," you know your reasons that, you know, it's not that आज आप fat हो गए. It's because of certain habits or because of certain circumstances जो हुए. It is not anything to do personally with you. But right now, if you're taking personal decisions to get better, appreciate yourself for that, because if you don't appreciate yourself, you're never going to enjoy journey, and always you're going to every time you're going to feel that people are looking at you, because if you are very insecure about yourself, that's how people are going to see you, right? So I think great conversation, Sanjana. Thank you for your time.